but I don't be like forcing you all to get up here, okay? So if we done, there's no problem, you know? Someone want to come up? Okay, yeah, come on around, young man. Yeah, but that's good that the kids feel that comfortable now to where they want to come up, you know? So, but definitely want to just appreciate you all for coming. I tell you, it's every first Monday of the month we like to do something, you know? We want to do something so you have an outing to go clean the atmosphere. I'm talking about and just praise the Lord together, you know, and bring us all together. And that's what it's all about. All right, here we go, young man. You ready?
All right now. Take your time.
Take your time. Take your time. That's okay. That's all right.